The Samsung Galaxy S20 series was ridiculously expensive at launch, and several reports revealed customers were far from impressed. Despite the negative reactions, though, one leak suggests the South Korean company is planning to go even higher with its next set of flagships. Popular Greek website Tech Maniac has obtained information from a very reliable source regarding both the release date and pricing of the next-generation Galaxy Note 20 and Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. These smartphones will reportedly make their international debut on Wednesday, August 5, at the next Samsung Unpacked event. Pre-orders are likely to start shortly after in anticipation of shipments on Thursday, August 27. The source in question believes the standard Samsung Galaxy Note 20 is going to retail at €1,249 in Greece. That is significantly higher than the Galaxy Note 10, which was priced at €999 in the country when it launched last year. Although not confirmed yet, pricing across the rest of Europe should be lower thanks to the different tax rates. Most customers in the region should be able to pick the Galaxy Note 20 up for either €1,199 or €1,209. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, on the other hand, could cost a whopping €1,499 in Greece. That is higher than both the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which retailed at €1,149, and the Galaxy S20 Ultra, which launched at €1,399 in the country. Like the Galaxy Note 20, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra should be cheaper in other European markets. If these Greek prices are accurate, the smartphone is likely to retail at €1,449 and €1,459 in most countries. Tech Maniac also received some information about the highly anticipated Galaxy Fold 2. The latter is expected to be unveiled alongside the Galaxy Note 20 series but may not hit shelves until late September or October due to COVID-19 delays. In Greece, the ultra-premium device will apparently retail at €2,199. If correct, that means the 5G Galaxy Fold 2 will be more expensive than the 4G Galaxy Fold but cheaper than the 5G Galaxy Fold. What about pricing in the United States? If previous price differences are anything to go by, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 could be available to purchase for $1,199 in the United States at launch in the standard configuration. Speaking of which, rumor has it that the base model will offer 128 GB of storage and 12 GB of RAM. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, on the other hand, will likely retail at $1,449 in the US. As per usual, though, buyers that choose to pre-order the flagship should receive some kind of gift. What sort of promotion Samsung has planned this year remains to be seen, but it could involve the upcoming Galaxy Buds Live or the Galaxy Watch 3. These two products are likely to be unveiled in the coming weeks before the Unpacked event. It's slightly harder to estimate the Galaxy Fold 2 pricing in the US, but the information leaked today suggests it could potentially cost around $2,000. Earlier reports suggested Samsung was hoping to lower the prices, but that may not be the case. What you think about the price of this device? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Also, please do consider subscribing my channel. Thanks for watching. Peace out.